Provincial champion versus Aylex Badminton Academy, mixed doubles edition. Last time you came on and challenged us in singles, it was a no-go. So now you're back for revenge in a different category. Your partner here is Joanne. Joanne has also gotten 4th in provincials. Our partner here is Cindy. You've gotten 2nd in Alberta provincials, right? So first, you will have to play our minion, Franklin. Franklin and Cindy, even you guys said no lead, right? If you beat them, then you will challenge me and Cindy.
Okay.
Oh. Oh, Cindy's pretty good at carrying. Holy. Damn, that's crazy. But that's also because Franklin can smash. Oh, Cindy's actually pretty good at carrying the front court. Yeah. Franklin. Ah. Oh, wow. This is pretty good badminton. Franklin's actually really suited for this. He can just play fast while someone helps him control the net. Oh my god. Oh. Maybe I don't have to play at all. Oh my god. Joanne and Nick don't really have any like big strengths or weaknesses. They're just playing, just like hitting around. Franklin just unlimited energy. What the? Oh, good shot. What the?
Why are you coaching?
Well, I'm just wondering what's happening. Like, why are you just missing shots? Franklin's playing better than you guys right now. You guys have to win, or else we have to change the storyline. We have to somehow convert Franklin to the antagonist if you guys lose.
Okay.
Win! Why are you guys so cracked today? Well, you're so cracked to the net.
I think so.
And then, Franklin, why are you so good?
I don't know, I think I'm
Naturally good, my god. Okay. Ooh, what a placement. Beautiful. Nice. Wow.
Out.
I mean, Nick and his partner Joanne have good setup, but they have no points that they're winning. They're just on the defense the whole time, so. Oh, good shot.
Nope.
Wow. Attack wins. Oh, good shot. Good rhythm break. Oh. Oh, good net play. Oh my god. Oh. Nick, bad. King of throws.
Hello there.
Yeah, right now Nick is just, his backcourt, he's setting down, which is good, but his midcourt follow-up finish is just not enough to win the point. Ooh, good placement. Score?
2016.
Oh, wow, that was, what happened? Oh.
In.
Out, it's out, it's out, it's out.
Challenge.
Challenge failed, outside. 17-20. Oh. Oh, good game, good game.
Good game.
All right.
Thank you.
Both of you guys played really beautiful shots a lot of the rally. I think it's actually gonna be a better pair than you playing with me. Cause like he's at least really fast and like you hit these sudden changes which forces your opponents to hit faster half courts. I'm thinking we just serve and receive and don't play past 3 points. Can we do that? Okay, we're gonna try. All right, so how did you guys clutch it near the end?
No comment.
All right, you think you can beat me?
We'll see.
One thing they don't know is I actually sprained my knee during swimming, but I'm not gonna tell them because I don't want them to know that I can't move. We'll be using Airtree 01 shuttlecocks, our shuttlecocks of choice on the channel. Check it out in our affiliate link down below. Oh, my bad, my bad. Yeah. Nice, good carry, good carry. 4-1, let's go. Outside. Good shot. Ooh, not bad. Pretty easy. Whoa, good shot, good shot. You got enough. 2-6. Ooh, good smash. Got it. Ooh, good try, good try. Ah, my bad, my bad. Nice, easy stuff. Beauty. Oh, so easy. Oh, I did that on purpose. I don't know why I missed it. Good shot. 9-6. Let's go. 9-6. Not bad. All right, so let's go. Ooh, good one, good one. Let's go. All right, interview. That's right. Go interview them, Franklin. Okay, coach, what we got?
I think it's going pretty well.
Uh-huh.
Just keep it up.
Okay, we got it? All right, let's do it. Wow, that was a crazy net shot. My bad, my bad. Ooh. Nice. Easy. Okay, let's go. Oh! Why are you so happy, Franklin? Okay, let's go, let's go. Nice. Good shot. Out. That's not out. That's out?
Yeah. Side.
Oh no. Nice. Wow, good shot. Ooh, that's good. That's good. Ah, my bad. Nice. That's my bad. My bad. No, it's fast serve. Nice. Out. Out, out. Not it. Oh, it's so good. Good shot, good shot. Block, block. Nice. Ooh, that's good. Sorry. Good shot.
I'll just go for it.
Okay, win point. Good try, good shot. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. All right.
Thank you.
Good game.
Thank you.
So what happened? Tell us.
Like, in the middle, I told him to like drop and clear more. And
Okay.
he got 3 points off of that.
Drop and why? Did you do that?
No.
If you guys enjoy this video, add them on LinkedIn. We'll put it on the screen. What? Only her, or we got all of you on LinkedIn? Get a job. You need to buy birds, right? And then neck will come back in the next available category. But I'm not playing doubles with Franklin. It's like two KO.